Bitcoin price plunged below the $59,000 level overnight, sparking concerns and speculation among investors. But what triggered this sudden decline? Let's look at the causes behind this significant decline and what it could mean for the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. The cryptocurrency market has been experiencing a period of strong volatility in recent days, with Bitcoin recording a loss of up to 30% from its recent highs. This decline appears to have been fueled by a series of forced liquidations due to investors' high use of leverage. When prices begin to fall, leveraged investors are forced to sell to cover losses, which causes further price declines. But this is not the only factor that contributed to the crash. Several global events have had a significant impact on the price of Bitcoin. For example, the recent massive sell-off by an unspecified government has triggered panic in the market. This type of event is reminiscent of past situations, such as the infamous Silk Road case or the collapse of the MTGOX exchange, where large amounts of Bitcoin were sold on the market following government intervention or legal issues. Despite all this, it is important to note that Bitcoin is still up 38% since the beginning of the year. This indicates that despite the short-term turbulence, there is still strong interest from investors. Many of these investors are waiting to see if Bitcoin can maintain its status as a store of value, a concept similar to that of gold. Another factor that is weighing on the cryptocurrency market is the intensification of regulations. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, recently sent a warning to NFT platform OpenSea, claiming that non-fungible tokens, NFTs, sold on the platform are considered unregistered securities. This type of notice, called a Wells notice, often precedes a lawsuit. The SEC has stepped up its scrutiny of the crypto space, targeting not only OpenSea, but also other platforms such as Coinbase, Uniswap, and Kraken. This regulatory pressure could have far-reaching implications for the future of NFTs and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. If NFTs were classified as securities, many of the platforms that currently offer them could face new legal and regulatory challenges, reducing their ability to operate freely. Meanwhile, another event has shaken the cryptocurrency world. The Toncoin token, tied to the Telegram messaging app, has suffered an abrupt halt. The token, which is the 10th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, lost more than $2.7 billion in value after Telegram's CEO was arrested in France on charges of failing to comply with the app's child protection laws. The Ton blockchain outage was attributed to an abnormal load on the network, which prevented some validators from clearing the database of old transactions. Even though Telegram and Toncoin are separate entities, this incident has had a negative impact on the entire Telegram ecosystem. In particular, the blocking of the Ton network has raised concerns about the future of this project and its ability to withstand further regulatory and technical pressure. This situation is reminiscent of the case of Tornado Cash, a cryptocurrency protocol that came under fire from authorities for being used by criminals. The question that arises is, should the creators of a technology be held accountable for the way it is used by malicious people? This dilemma continues to divide the public and regulatory authorities. Despite these negative events, all is not lost for the cryptocurrency market. Institutional interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies remains high, and many analysts believe that these turbulences are only temporary. For example, rising interest rates and the decline in cheap capital could lead to a new wave of investment in risky assets like Bitcoin. Furthermore, despite regulatory challenges, major cryptocurrency platforms are fighting to defend their right to operate freely. Coinbase, Uniswap, and others have demonstrated their resilience in the past, and may continue to do so in the future. That said, the future of cryptocurrencies is still uncertain and full of challenges. However, if recent history has taught us anything, it is that the cryptocurrency market is remarkably resilient and capable of adapting quickly to change. Thanks for watching to the end. And until next time, continue to monitor the market and stay informed about these critical developments.